which was a compelling reason why then 100 Training Wing was deactivated, and the Air Education and Training Command was subsequently activated. This paved the way to the birth of the Basic Military Training School on 21 September of 1999 as a unit under the Air Education and Training Command. Pursuant to General Orders Number 158 AFP HPAP dated 21 March 2019, the Basic Military Training School under Air Education and Training Command is hereby redesignated as Philippine Air Force Basic Military School effective 13 March 2019.
Nasa pangalawa siyang row.
Basic military training has always been the
Very
bedrock of
proud
every
of you,
soldier's
Anna.
career. It is upon this stage that learning and mastery of the ways of basic soldiery is undertaken, which is why it is of great importance that such training is with much attention and further improvement to enable it to adapt to the needs of the challenging times.
Ladies and gentlemen, tonight, preparing them for the challenges that await inside of BMS. From the original number of 700 special elite team, 669 successfully completed the training, 490 of which are males and 177 are females.
Coming from different corners of Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, these young men and women represent different parts of the Philippine archipelago. The class is also composed of individuals with strong educational backgrounds. Out of 669 students, 2 have master's degrees, 432 are graduates of bachelor's degrees, 9 postgraduates with units, 156 are undergraduate, 40 are K-12 graduate, and 29 are vocational.
Ladies and gentlemen, the members of Basic Military Training Class 2026 Alpha hail from different regions of Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao.
Nasa first quadrant siya. Siya yung nasa... Ayan. Mhm. Hmm.
In a brisk manner, called the adjutant strap, the troop adjutant positions himself between the line of troops and the troop commander.
Following in the same brisk manner, the group adjutants join their respective group staff.
So A ni si Oxygen si Blue. So A ni at pas niya si Blue ni naka-black.
The troop adjutant directs the troops to execute parade dress.
So meron to. Manutubang man sa sila pa. Sabi niya atubang man sila.
Sige, so ang drone.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Basic Military Training Maharigma Class 2026 Alpha. It seems like only yesterday when they had the reception ceremony at the salary ground of Fernando Air Base, Lipa City, Batangas.
They had their first days of their military life during the reception day, dated 27 January 2026. although few of them dropped on their knees and nearly told the quitter's bell. Still, the BMT Class 2026 Alpha held onto their dream of becoming dignified soldiers of the Philippine Air Force.
It wasn't that easy to find the right name for the Class 2026 Alpha, and so the class officers sought suggestions from their classmates. Finally, they ended up with a simple word but with significant meaning, and that is maharigma. Magiting na alagad ng himpapawid at hikaing maging refleksyon ng integridad, galing at malasakit, a testament to their commitment of safeguarding the freedom of the Filipino people.
Members of BMT Class 2026 Alpha aim to solidify their intent to become part of the Philippine Air Force. Though trained with various tactical and combat training, these young soldiers are also equipped with the highest code and solidarity, which, as we all know, are the necessary weapons in order to last and evolve outstandingly as a protector of the people in particular and the nation in general.
These competent and dedicated soldiers have undergone rigorous training with the supervision of the professional military training instructors. For over 139 days, they were able to surpass the different activities being conducted, such as drills with and without arms, marksmanship, daily kilometer road runs, foot marches, numerous classroom instructions, hands-on training of various weapons and armament, rappelling, obstacle course, not only physically and mentally prepared for the demands of military life, but also someone who carries a profound sense